So what's next, Captain? I'm glad you asked, my friend. Well, if you're ready to rock by clicking on the link below, you will start the superhero application process, which is 100% online. You will need your reference number above. It is also in the quote that we have emailed to you. If you complete an insurance application with Superhero Insurance, we will provide you with a complimentary last will and testament form for you and your partner. The document can be completed online and then printed out for signing. If you like, we can store the will in the Superhero Vault in the Canberra City office, free of charge. Trust me, even I have one. So don't wait! Apply now to make sure you get your free bonus offer before it expires.
What, you again? Seriously? You certainly are not a fast runner. Okay, alright, let's go through this again. Finger, mouse, big blue button below. Click. Boom! Boom! Fantastic. I might be back. I'm just joking. I'll totally be back. Yeah, I need this job pretty badly. Sorry.